getting lucky here with the jacks. Let's see. That was a 10 of spades. Put one. Where the king is that? That was an ace of spades. Queen of spades. So I actually got that one correct. That was also a queen. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully we get a king or a jack and a three. So what happens here now? You'll see that I'll place this, and it will automatically remove anything that adds up to 10, or if it's a 10 itself, a single card. Ta-da! Which I worked on fixing that. And it's something that I'm still working on. So once again, I kind of can't see what card is loaded right now. Um, that part of this is broken. So that was the two of hearts, four of clubs. This is the king. So see here, it has the legal placements. You know, the restrictions for the kings, the jacks, the queens. It won't let you place it. So I couldn't place it, and you'll see that we lost the game. So now if I draw a card, you'll see that it still does draw cards, which that shouldn't be able to do that. And it will let you replay the game, and ta-da, it actually does reset the board. But it just does not show the image, which is very frustrating. Let's see, so that was a jack, okay, and now, let's see, king, we'll do another jack, queen, king, another king, a jack, queen. Hopefully, I won't get a queen. Oh, illegal place for a king, and cards move continue flying. Okay, so you'll see that it still does remove the cards, but I did not want that to be a unlocked feature. I wanted it to lock. So if we go here, you'll see that I'm going to kind of just fly through this. I know I'm going to go over a little bit. I think I'll just edit, what my ums and my silence here. But essentially, this is no different than the README files that I have. It does follow all these rules. So you'll see that the rules did work. And the board reset is broken. So it is able to identify when the grid is full and it removes it, but it doesn't remove it just like the example game. And there is a lose condition that does work. I have yet to win. I'm sure that given the proper combination, it would actually work. Of cards, or not the proper combination, but the proper sequence. Okay, so here we have definitions for the suit, the rank, the card, class, deck, and the driver. The total files. Oh, I should show you that too. Here, so we have the main, we have the picture frame with comments, and there we go. We got the deck file, picture frame button file, the suit, the card. And see underneath this piece here. There we go. What was that? There we go. Suit is what it was. Resize image button. And I know that resize image button this is supposed to work inside of the picture frame itself. And so if I kind of go to find image here, so it's supposed to work at the top of deck here. And I kept reading online that this was the issue. But if we go over to the resize image button, and same thing for image and the resources, you'll see that the file name path is a little different. But when I go and change that, it makes an error. So you'll see here, it makes these errors. Can't find the card, even though it does have the ability to see, it can see the abbreviations and it can see the different types of ways that the card is printed. So that that is something that I still plan to work on. have this failure. It's not working correctly. I need to fix that. Kind of blurs in. Okay, so like I said, I will go through again and edit this. It ran over, um, but it includes everything that